definitely not going to work.
Who knows?
Oh.
Well, gross, this is on. Did it work?
It's a smoke bomb. It's making a lot of smoke. Woo!
I'm going through the smoke.
There you go, but watch out for Patrick's bike.
I know. Man. Do it.
Oh,
Or if you want to watch competitive eating, the actual contest has started.
Really?
Yeah.
Chaos.
Is there anything else you have besides smoke bombs?
No.
More smokes!
More smoky, bulky bombs.
It's a lot of smoke. Andrew's like that. That's fun. It smells really bad. Andrew, how about you light off a stink bomb?
Good one, Claudia.